In the ever-evolving world of modern warfare, nations strive to secure their borders and enhance their defense capabilities through technology. Among the many achievements of Pakistan's defense industry, one stands tall as a symbol of self-reliance and innovation: the Burraq drone, the country's first indigenously developed armed unmanned aerial vehicle. Today, on War Birds, we take a closer look at this remarkable piece of technology that has reshaped Pakistan's aerial strength. The Burraq drone, named after a mythical flying horse, was officially unveiled in 2015. This achievement was the result of years of dedication by Pakistan's engineers, scientists, and defense planners. For a country facing immense security challenges, the Burraq was more than just a machine. It was a declaration of independence, a statement that Pakistan could design, build, and operate its own combat UAVs without relying entirely on foreign suppliers. At its core, the Burraq is designed for surveillance, reconnaissance, and precision strike missions. It can operate in hostile environments, day or night, providing real-time intelligence to commanders on the ground. Equipped with advanced optics and sensors, the Burraq can detect enemy movement, monitor strategic areas, and strike with deadly accuracy when needed. Its ability to loiter silently in the skies gives Pakistan a powerful edge in counter-terrorism and border security operations. One of the Burraq's most notable features is its ability to carry and fire laser-guided air-to-surface missiles, commonly known as Barq missiles. These precision weapons allow the drone to engage targets with minimal collateral damage. This capability has proven crucial in Pakistan's fight against terrorism, where eliminating high-value targets often requires extreme accuracy in populated or mountainous regions. Before the Burraq, Pakistan largely depended on foreign drones for surveillance. However, access to armed drones was restricted due to international policies and political constraints. The unveiling of Burraq changed that narrative. For the first time, Pakistan could independently conduct strike missions without external approval. This not only enhanced operational flexibility but also boosted national pride. In terms of performance, the Burraq is not among the largest or most advanced drones in the world, but it is perfectly suited for Pakistan's operational needs. It can fly at medium altitudes, endure long missions, and carry enough payload for effective strikes. Most importantly, it was developed with cost-effectiveness in mind, ensuring Pakistan could maintain and operate the system without straining its defense budget. The impact of the Burraq drone has been felt most strongly in counter-insurgency operations. Pakistani forces have successfully deployed it to neutralize militant hideouts, command centers, and weapon depots. By reducing the risk to pilots and ground troops, Burraq has saved countless lives while ensuring precision in missions that demand surgical accuracy. Beyond its military application, the development of the Burraq reflects Pakistan's growing technological independence. It shows that with determination and investment in local talent, a country can overcome international restrictions and create its own defense solutions. For young engineers, scientists, and students in Pakistan, Burraq stands as an inspiring symbol of what can be achieved with innovation and dedication. On the international stage, the Burraq has also positioned Pakistan as part of the small group of nations capable of producing armed UAVs. While countries like the United States, China, and Israel dominate this field, Pakistan's entry demonstrates its commitment to catching up with modern warfare technologies. It is also an indicator to adversaries that Pakistan is ready to defend itself with the tools of the 21st century. Of course, the story of Burraq does not end here. Defense technology is always evolving. Future versions of Burraq are expected to feature improved range, endurance, stealth features, and more advanced weapon systems. With every new upgrade, Pakistan is likely to enhance its capabilities further, ensuring its armed forces remain equipped for the challenges of tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, the Burraq drone is more than just a machine. It is a symbol of Pakistan's resilience, a product of its ingenuity, and a guardian in the skies. In the face of adversity, Pakistan responded with innovation, creating a drone that not only protects its borders but also inspires its people. Here on War Birds, we celebrate such milestones in aviation and defense history. The Burraq is not just a drone, it is a story of independence, pride, and progress. And as Pakistan continues its journey in drone technology, the world watches closely, knowing that the nation of Burraq is ready to soar higher.